and under the Accounting tab, choose Chart of Accounts. This is a pre-populated list of every account in your business, and you can think of accounts as the categories for the money moving in and out of your business. Later on, when you reconcile transactions or create invoices, you'll be choosing from this list. You likely won't need to change much here as a beginner, but let me show you how to add one so that you know how it works. Right here, click Add Account. For account type, I'll select Inventory. You can give it a code and a name and description, then set the default tax setting and click Save. Under All Accounts, we can now see the newly created account in our list. If you haven't signed up yet and you're now ready to get started, remember that you can use the special link in the description to get 90% off of your first 6 months using Xero. If you want to learn more, I have a detailed tutorial that covers a few things we didn't have time for today. Watch that next, or find it in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.